Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best curling wands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Conicurl. This BaBylissPRO curling wand has a nano titanium tapered barrel, with sol gel technology. This is a precise process which is used during its production to transform the titanium and ceramic particles from liquid to solid form, resulting in a higher concentration of these particles. This gives you a more resilient and smoother curling surface that is therefore gentler on your hair. We were very impressed with this curling wand. Upon first impressions, it can appear cheap and plastically, but actually it feels very durable and performed very well in our tests. In addition to the 50 adjustable heat settings, it also has a turbo boost function, which immediately increases the temperature. We liked this feature. It is great for targeting particularly stubborn areas of your hair. However, it isn't clear how long the turbo boost lasts for or what temperature it to, so use this function with caution. At number 4, Remington CI9538 Pro Pearl Ceramic Conicurl Curling Wand. If you want a bit of luxury in your hair tool collection, look no further than the Remington CI9538 Pro. Its ceramic Conicurl barrel is infused with crushed pearls, aiming to give you consistent heat, faster styling and smooth, lustrous waves with less damage and no frizz. The tapered, ceramic barrel is available in 2 different sizes, 1 to 1.5 inch and 0.5 to 1 inch, so if you prefer loose waves, go for the larger size, but if you prefer tighter spiral curls, choose the slimmer barrel size. It has a good digital readout to display that nicely counts up to the temperature you set as it heats up. It took a little longer than other models we tested to heat up, but not hugely so. It has 10 different heat settings, up to a maximum of 410 degrees Fahrenheit, 210 degrees Celsius, so it is great for a variety of hair types and textures, but overall we recommended it as the best choice for finer hair. At number 3, Bedhead Curlipops Curling Wand. We were pleasantly surprised by the Bedhead Curlipops. It is cheap looking with a metallic finish that seems a bit naff, but it surpassed our expectations in performance. It created beautiful curls and silky waves, and it heated quickly, so sometimes simplicity is exactly what you need. It is ideal if you want to create smooth beach waves. This tourmaline ceramic curling wand heats to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius, but, and here's the downside, that is the only heat setting. Unlike all the other models we tested, it doesn't have adjustable heat settings, so therefore, it is best suited to thick hair that can withstand the hotter temperature, but importantly, healthy hair. Despite this lack of temperatures, we were impressed with this Bedhead Curlipops, and it is also available in different barrel sizes and shapes. At number 2, Infinitipro by Conair Curl Secret. We have mixed feelings about the Infinitipro by Conair Curl Secret. It gave us fantastic curls, but you need to use it with caution. It's a hair curler with a difference. When you close the clamp around a section of your hair, it automatically draws your hair in, wrapping and curling your hair for you. As it claims, hair goes in, curl comes out. We were slightly concerned about the combination of movement plus hair, but it has plenty of anti-tangle features like the bristle-free design and reverse mode. It is very intuitive and clearly indicates when it has reached temperature and when to release your hair. It didn't give us static, and it gave very soft, loose curls, but they needed a bit more hairspray to hold than others. Finally at number 1, Sultra The Bombshell Rod. We were disappointed and surprised by the Sultra The Bombshell Rod Curler Wand, especially as it otherwise has such rave reviews. We purchased the 1.5-inch barrel, 7.5 centimeters, which boasted rapid heat up and its ability to style any hair type. However, sadly, we didn't experience this. We tried multiple times to test it, but only managed to get it to switch on once, where it took a very long time to begin to heat up, and when it did, it was nowhere near hot enough to actually style and set your hair. This may have been an unfortunate, one-off defective product, but due to our experience, we, unfortunately, do not recommend this curling wand, despite it having so many good reviews. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.